Okay, there we go. So we should be live again. Hopefully, um, hopefully the quality will be better. Um, video wise. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty bad. Let me change that right now. So, um, output. Let's do. There we go. Okay, let's see. Let's see how that looks. Okay, let's see. Let's see how that looks. Okay, so it's perfectly legible if you have it in 720p, which you should be able to watch in 720p. So let's get back to what we were doing. We have Soul Trap. So instead, we have those set up. So instead of doing, oh no, 85. Okay, so instead of getting a sphere, we're going to do player entity. No, we'll just do player equals player e dot event dot get entity. There we go. Oh, what's that? Oh, there we go. So, so we'll send a message for them. Actually, no, we don't need to send a message to them. We're just gonna do bucket dot get scheduler dot schedule sync delayed task fake make pvp. Oh, I don't have an instance. Hold on. Fake make pvp core on enable core equals this static, and then we'll do public static fake make pvp get instance turn core. There we go. So fake make pvp dot get instance comma new runnable, and it'll put it all in for us just like I like. And we'll do 0 delay. Oh no, this only takes one parameter, so the delay will be duration. And in here we're gonna do we're gonna do trapped dot yeah, we're gonna do trapped dot remove player, and over here we're gonna need to do player dot add nope trapped dot add trap dot put player comma true. So utils minus 16. So over here, for divine immolation, I would do if it ended with 1, it would send it to you. So it really wouldn't be spamming your chat. It would be doing it every 10. In this case, I think I might send it. See, I'm not sure if Soul Trap procs every time. So I need to check. Let's see. Soul Trap. So it says active. I'm gonna assume it procs every time. Yeah. So let's see, so we'll do it if it ends with a 1 or string dot value of souls dot ends with ends with a 0, or let's send it to them. Let's send it to them every time. I'm down for that. So it's going to say Soul Trap, and instead of the traditional red, it doesn't actually tell you. I really want to make it look nice, so we're going to do a nice blue. It's going to say Soul Trap, and it's going to say your remaining souls. There we go. So in our divine immolation method right here, if exclamation point trap, yeah, trap dot contains key p. Yeah, do that. And we're going to need to surround that method. So, if they're not trapped, and now we need to do the same thing for teleblock. So right here, user. Okay, so if trapped, it does not contain the user. There you go. So that is Soul Trap. Yeah, that's Soul Trap right there. So next, I guess we gotta do Paradox. Is Paradox? Yeah. So Paradox is complete in there. Paradox is gonna have code similar to Nature's Wrath. But the problem is, I don't really want to hook into factions. Meaning, where it says it heals your allies, I don't really want to hook into factions at the moment. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go down here at the bottom. I'm gonna do a / to do hook into factions for Paradox. When I hook into factions, I'm really gonna need to change a bunch of things. Oh, okay. So let me change. Let me change that quality. Video. Okay. Okay. Stream. Okay. It should. Alright, so it should start being less blurry. There we go. If not, actually, hold on. I might want to change my bitrate actually. So let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna increase my bitrate actually. So let's try that. Output bitrate. Let's do. Okay. Bitrate. Okay, so the bitrate for 1080p should be 24 megabits per second. So let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna increase my bitrate actually. Let's try setting it to. So let's try setting it to that. Okay. So let me know if the quality improves or it doesn't improve. If it doesn't improve, I'll set the bitrate higher. Okay. So let's continue. So we have Paradox done. Also, you guys can feel free to still comment down below of what you guys want to see in tutorials, because even though I'm not doing the tutorials as videos, I will be doing them as live streams and uploading them to YouTube. And looking at the quality now, does not seem like it improved. It looks fine on my end from my OBS. It seems to be something with YouTube. Do you have your quality set to 1080? To 1080? No, yeah, I did. I just wanted to make sure the sample was good. I actually just turned off my desktop sounds completely. But thank you for that. Let's see how it's still a bit grainy. Let me see. Okay. I think I know. Alright, so I'm gonna do one last thing to fix it. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna get back to the coding and I'll fix it on my own time. But let's see. Okay, yeah. So let me increase bitrate. Okay. I hope that works. Otherwise it doesn't really look so grainy. It does look kind of grainy though. So I'll try to fix that in between. So let's see. I feel like the next thing. So we're done with soul enchantments for now. We're going to go into simple enchantments now. So in our simple listener, right now all I have done is confusion and decapitation. So we have a player death event right now. And I'm actually going to just gonna event.set death message null, because Cosmic doesn't have death messages and neither should we. So this is an entity damage by entity event. We could do either Thundering Blow or I mean, if you guys prefer, know which one you prefer, I can do that. But I'm gonna start with Headless. I feel like because it's gonna be the same thing as Decapitation, just with Headless, just with a sword. And actually, this time I'm actually checking if they're wielding an axe or a sword, which I didn't do last time. For the souls, I just checked if they were wielding it. So let's do Headless. It's going to be the same exact rates as Decapitation, but it's just for it's just for swords. So we have spawning the player skull. That's all done. So next, wow, I started working on this a while ago, as you can see, because nutrition isn't simple. Nutrition currently on Cosmic is in Elite, so let's move the class there. And inside of our enchantment manager, we will need to move nutrition into the Elite. Not going to work on it now, but now we know it's there. Let me make sure all of these, yeah, okay, so all these are still in their proper categories. We can close that, close that, close that. I think the next thing I'm gonna do is Thundering Blow. So we're gonna take. I'm actually gonna write up the method past there. Okay, so this is entity damage by entity event. P is the damaged entity, user is okay. So if they have a sword and it has Thundering Blow. I could, if I really wanted to, I could do Thundering Blow. I can make an instance of Thundering Blow, which I'm going to need to when I'm looping through all the enchantments. I'll just call it Thunder. I'll do Boolean string Thunder equals null. Okay. So next we're gonna do if Thunder. If Thunder doesn't equal null. So if it found Thundering Blow, the next thing we're gonna do is, I don't know the proc rates. I'm just gonna do, let me just grab. Okay, well let's start with Thundering Blow. So that's the level. So if level equals 1, we'll do something else if level equals 2, then else if level equals 3. We're having it work where if you go above the max, such as Thundering Blow 10, it won't even proc at all, just to prevent kind of like going outside of the boundaries, because that could really break some enchantments that would work on level, such as Experience, where for Experience we might be doing like multiplying it by how much you have. Oh no, okay, it looked like the screen would cut out, but we're good. Let's see. So if the level equals 1, we're going to do if utils dot random integer 100. We'll do 10% proc chance for the first Thundering Blow. Then we'll do p dot get world dot spawn lightning. No, what is it? Dot strike lightning. We're not gonna strike actual lightning because that'll cause fire on the ground. So there's this handy little method called it's world dot strike lightning effect. So that just has the effect of striking lightning without the actual fire. That's what we're doing for Nature's Wrath as well. So right now we're just gonna damage the player for, I guess, half a heart for level 1 sounds good. For level 2, I'm feeling a full heart, and for level 3 it's gonna be 1.5. I mean, they seem like low values, but it is a simple enchantment. It's not supposed to be overpowered by any means. So that's Thundering Blow. I guess we should probably go in order. So we'll do Epicness next. We'll take that. String. Okay, string epic. Epic. Alright. Epicness. Epicness. Epic. Okay. So, we're going to, let's see. Epicness goes to 3. So at level 1, we're going to, so I think we're going to change Epicness a little bit. It's supposed to distract the other player. That's what it's used for. So we're not only going to play some effects and some sounds, we're also going to send some chat messages, because I think that'd be kind of funny. So let's just do p.playSound, p.get location, sound dot, let's do chicken hurt 10 1. Alright, so right, I'll show you. So that's the volume, that's the pitch, and we'll do p dot send message. And what's an annoying color that we can use? I kind of want to use gray just because it's like simple, so I feel like it's gray. But yeah, we're not gonna have any prefix. It's just gonna say it. So we're gonna do and 7. We'll do. I do want to do a random message, but actually that won't be that hard. We already have. Okay, so if utils dot random integer, we'll do 1 to 5. Yeah, we'll do 1 to 5. So we'll do 5 messages. Is less than or equal to 1. And then we'll take the same method and we'll do if it is less than or if it's greater than 1, and then utils dot rand int 1 comma 5. Actually, shoot, int rand equals. Okay. We're gonna have to use the same integer. I just realized. So there we go. So if rand else if random is greater than 1 and rand is less than or equal to 2. There we go. So we can do we can then replace these values. So we could do if it is greater than 2 and less than or equal to 3. If it is greater than 3 and less than or equal to 4. And if it's greater than 4 and less than or equal to 5. I'm gonna need to change. No, never mind. There's no proc chance for that. Okay. Just making sure. So we're gonna do p dot send message, and I'm just gonna grab my there we go. I grab my Windows section symbol. So and 7. What are you doing? Trying to PvP someone? P dot send message. Get wrecked. Otherwise, send the message. What's more epic than epicness? The epicness that epicness creates from being epic. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll just send them a bunch of spam. So we'll just do. There we go. And the last one. Send them hello. Okay. So it's going to send them a chicken heart sound. It's going to... Actually, you know what? Let's change the sound each time. Why not? We're able to. So that one's going to be chicken heart. We can do Enderman death. We could do pig hurt. Let's see. Pig hurt. Oh, there's no hurt for pig. We can do pig death. Do sound bat death. And the last one we can do sound blaze breathe. There we go. So random int 1. Okay. We can no, we're good. So levels 1. Alright. We're going to replace the whole method. I figure for level 2 we'll have a 20% chance, and for level 3 we'll have a 30% chance. It's going to be the same effects because why not? So that's epicness done. So now we have confusion, decapitation, headless, we need to. Okay. Now we need to do glowing because I want to go in order. So I'm gonna need a new event for this. There we go. So oh, okay, at event handler public void on equip armor equip. Oh, there's no player armor equip again. Player. Alright, so here's what we'll do. Alright, I have an idea. In here, where we check. Oh, crap. We're running it. See, I'm running something like every tick here. Alright, I yeah. So let's do bucket get scheduler schedule sync delay task. This new runnable, and we already have our runnable method. Let's paste or not. Okay, whatever. There we go. What's wrong with that? Override annotations not allowed there. Well, why not? In task sync. Also, this needs to be a repeating task. This new runnable. Oh, there we go. That's why. Okay, so every second, what we're gonna do is for player. Okay, we're going to scan through their helmet, which we can grab from our soul listener class, where it goes through the immortal helmet. Here we go. So if the helmet, there we go. Where are we? All right. Check color. Okay. If their helmet doesn't equal null, starts with glowing. All right. Since glowing only goes to 1, we can just give them the night vision. So p dot add potion effect, new potion effect type dot glowing. If I remember this, not dot glowing, dot night vision. I don't remember the arguments. Okay, no, not Boolean force. What? Okay, duration. So we're gonna do the duration will be 20. 1. The amplifier will be 1. Do we do 5? Okay, so that'll keep adding the potion effect, so that when they take off their helmet, you'll have the potion effect for a little, but it'll pretty much get rid of it. And oh whoa, why is my quality bad? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I'm gonna really need to fix that stream quality. But so there we go. So we have glowing done. Next one we have headless done already. Healing, we're gonna need to wait for the faction integration, because healing's gonna only be done to our faction mates. We have Thundering Blow done, so really all we need right now is the Insomnia, the Lightning, and Lightning's pretty much Thundering Blow. So the Insomnia, the Lightning, the Obliterate, Oxygenate, and Thundering Blow. No, and not Thundering Blow. So I've been streaming for around a half hour. I think I'm gonna close this one down. The next stream will be better quality, and if you guys in the comments below, if you guys want to suggest tutorial ideas, I'm down to do a tutorial next stream, or I could keep working on this, whichever. Alright. So this has been the undefined variable, and I'll see you in the next one.